Assessment of practical skills of the welder is being standardized without any numerical criteria in our time, and it is based on subjective data of visual control. As it is well known, visual control is performed using handheld power tools and takes a long time. During visual control, measurements are made in some areas of the weld which are selected by the expert subjectively, based on their own experience. In some cases, it's not possible to make a direct measurement, such as assessment of shapes and sizes of the weld root side. Visually, weld shape made by the second category welder significantly differs from one made by the fifth category welder. But at the same time, it's pretty difficult to distinguish seams made by expert welders of the fourth and fifth category. So, the main question is which welder has higher qualification? The answer on this question is provided by method of 3D laser diagnostics of the weld shape. 3D LD technology allows to evaluate qualification of the welder by his ability to form a weld shape. Welder qualification is assessed by the deviation of the real shape of the weld from the shape of the standard. Defect-free standard shape is calculated by the physical mathematical model. For the implementation of the 3D LD technology, modern digital equipment is used. Evaluating weld plates, laser scanner moves along the weld by stepper motor and generates a replica of the weld shape in real time. Evaluating the tube welded joints, gear motor carries pipe rotation. Scanning face and root surface of the weld is carried out by fixed laser sensors mounted outside and inside of the tube that allows to record change of the face and root surface of the welds. 3D LD technology allows to replace a weld of test piece on its digital replica. Also, 3D LD technology allows to evaluate deviation of form and dimensions of the weld surface from standard in each scanned section. And as a result, it allows to quantify welders' scores and illustrate the actual weld shape deviation from the standard weld shape. For the certification of welders' qualification, subjectivism of visual control excludes by using of 3D LD technology that allows us not only to assess the welder with points, but store the results in the form of an electric protocol.